Hello everybody, how are you? I am Hani At-Tawil from Nanochem for import and export. I am general manager in exporting. When we talk about Nanochem, it's a company for import and export, especially in fertilizers. It focuses in organic fertilizers for agriculture. So when we talk about the first product and the biggest important product, it's potassium fulvate. As you see, potassium fulvate, it's a bag 10 kilo, it's a green bag, very good finish. The bag is very good for marketing. When we talk about material, this is the material, it's brown, okay? So when we talk about components of it, it's about 10% K2O and about 50% organic matters. What is the benefit of it? It's have minus and positive energy. It's make extracting for all elements in the soil. It's make it easy for oxygen to go down to roots, and also it make renewal for roots. So this product is very important for all grow, for all greens. It's okay for all kinds of greens, and also it's okay for any time to use it. And when we talk about how we can use it, we can use it with irrigation. The last time of irrigation, if you take about 1 hour irrigation or 2 hour irrigation, so you will put it at the last 30 minutes or the last 20 minutes of the irrigation. So we will put it with the water, and also you can spray it under the green or under the trees. And the rate of use, it's about maybe 2 kilos for 1 feed. Thank you. We hope you are our customer need. Bye.